So after design any kind of website, total design of the WordPress dependent by the widget option. Your option dependent by the widgets. So the widgets how to using for image ads. One is Google Ads will be provided by the Google. How to create your own ads using by the WordPress. So a lot of people are confused how to create my image ad on my particular website. You have the three websites. How do you create it? One website to another website with the using images. The create by image ad in the out of the box. That option is called total option is dependent by appearance. In this option called widgets. Where appearance in the option call is widgets. Total widgets they're supporting for sidebar, full width header, full width footer, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4. Suppose I'm creating image ad by footer 1. Footer 1 nothing but here. The ad image you can design size will be 728 by 90. 728 by 90. So the image will design by using Canva. The image will be already designed by using option. When click this image, they go into some other website. Some other website. So image was designed. Go to widget option. See the widget options. This is all your widget option. In this what I'm creating for image ad. Select image. So which option? Footer 1. Add your widget. Coming to footer 1. What is the option call is add image. Upload. Where you can display this ad only for footer. Copy. Already you intimated. Every image will click is going to where particular website. The image uploading time, the showing option call is link to. The option call is link to. Open your site. When upload image time, the image right side is showing for link to. Copy the URL. Paste it. And click for add widget. Now click for apply. Image done, URL done. Now create special ads. Save. After click for done. That is your special ad. Any kind of spelling mistake? Clear? So any ad to increase the size, any ad increase the size, edit image, size, large, full size, 728 by 90 pixel, update, save, after done. Flat. The showing for your particular ad. This ad will be every page will be suitable, not only home page. So when click for image, they go to where? Your particular website. Your particular website. Just go back. But it's open for same tab. I can open for the new tab. Check your option. Edit image. Advanced option. Open link. in new tab, click for update. Save. Now click for done. Refresh. Now clicking for image. Open for new tab. Is it clear? This is called create any kind of image ad using option called is WordPress widgets. So what are the options we can support? Only this option we can use. New option will be we can't create another option. Based on the themes, what are the options we can eligible? We can use that option only. New option we can't create. If you create, your the developer is important. So that they can do for only developers. But is a theme wise only for this option. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 options. Based on the category, option will be changed.